Hello everyone, this is Parvathi here from Paru's Craftology. Here's my unboxing video for CrafTangles DT kit. This is my first DT kit and you will be amazed to see how big of a box I have got. So I was not even able to cover the entire thing on my table, so I kept it aside and I'll start off my unboxing. The first thing I have here is rust effect paste. It comes in a set of 4. Next I have some art waxes. Next is patina effect paste. And one moss effect paste. Some texture paste. I have a total of 6 texture paste. Sand texture paste, paper texture paste, white texture paste, clear texture paste, cement texture paste and asphalt texture paste. And now we move on to gessos. I have 3 gessos, one white, black and clear gesso. Next is acrylic soft gel, some foil magic, some reactive foils. I have 4 colors and these can be used with foil magic itself. Then I have some gilding flakes. Again, these can be used with foil magic. Next we move on to chalk pens. I have got 5 different shades. Next up are liquid watercolors. Beautiful shades. Next up are dye-based art sprays. You can see how my table is getting filled up with the goodies I've received. So yeah, I have received literally a lot of stuff. So before we move on to the next items, this is a quick glimpse of the mixed media essentials I have received. Now we move on to photopolymer stamps. These are background stamps that can be used for mixed media projects, decoupage projects or any kind of projects for that matter. A shadow box, some 6x6 paper pads, so there are variations. I have 250 GSM ones and 160 GSM ones. Next up are stencils, some pretty designs. I have some ideas popping up for some journal pages, cards, mixed media and whatnot looking at these. Next up are Decothin papers. So they're A4 sizes and A3 sizes. These can be used for decoupage projects. You can use them for background designing in your cards also. You can use them in mixed media. So some lovely designs there. Next up are transfer sheets. These are the latest designs that are making a buzz in the market and they're very user friendly, very easy to use and the end results are amazing. So I have some lovely designs sent over to me. If you have not seen CrafTangles transfer sheet designs yet, it's a must see. They have a variety of designs in vintage, floral, tribal, Indian, and all kind of designs. Whatever you ask, it's all there. So do check them out. The possibilities with these sheets are endless. I have not explained each and every product here because the video would be just too long. But rest assured, each and every product will be explained in the DT videos I'll be doing. And next up we have a 12 by 12 paper pack. I've got the Enchanted Blooms 2 version. Next up are 12 by 2 cardstocks. The first one was craft one, second I have white cardstocks, and lastly I have some black cardstocks. So amazing collection, amazing haul, amazing DT kit. I am super excited to get started with these amazing goodies. Looking forward to a great tenure with CrafTangles. I hope that your support and love will continue throughout this tenure as well. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Don't forget to subscribe.